Do you hate being at the mercy of third-party software platforms, especially for auto webinars? I do. And in fact, a few months ago, one of my clients ran into a whole bunch of issues with CRM integrations, page customization, and capturing affiliate traffic through their auto webinar system. Because we'd already built a workhorse video player with simple video management system, I knew we could easily create an add-on to create fully customizable auto webinars using the same powerful marketing tools that we already have in SVMS. So auto webinars are an incredibly popular way to interact, engage, and sell more to your prospects and your customers. And Simple Auto Webinar System is the newest plugin from MAM's Toolkit, and it solves this headache for you in just a few easy steps. I'm going to jump over to my screen really quick and show you just how simple it really is to set up an auto webinar. So what specifically can Simple Auto Webinar Systems do for you? Well, first, it can help you make more money. That's just the whole reason why we built this software. What we love about using Simple Video Management System was the magic buy buttons and really being able to redirect our buyers to sales pages at just the right time in the webinar presentation. And we can do that right inside Simple Auto Webinar System. Let me show you an example. So in one of our last videos, I showed you about a presentation that we were doing. We decided to create an auto webinar out of an affiliate promotion that we had been working on. So as you can see here on this page, I've actually already registered for the webinar, and this is an on-demand auto webinar. So as soon as I registered, I was brought to the video page so that I could watch the presentation. So using the same marketing tools that we already have set up in SVMS, I was able to actually drop in, let's see exactly where it's going to happen here. Here we go. I was able to drop in a buy button for people to go ahead and get access to this affiliate promotion that we were running. And again, this auto webinar is going to redirect right to the sales page when it's over. So the other thing that you really can do using Simple Auto Webinar System, that it was a scheduled time, you can actually create pre-webinar videos so that you can prime your prospects and get them ready to buy. And you can use those same videos that you've already created and already used as marketing materials in your Simple Video Management System. So Simple Auto Webinar allows you to talk back and forth between the two platforms. Simple Auto Webinar is just a bolt-on to Simple Video Management System. So you can see when I do a drop down here, I can actually grab any video that I have already created in SVMS, and it makes it super, super easy to get your webinar set up. I can actually create a webinar, an auto webinar now, in about 10 minutes. So the features are super simple. As you can see, we can do a webinar on demand, or we can do a scheduled webinar. And I'm going to come back here to my on demand because that's what I've got this demo set up for. And again, we are integrating with 15 of the top CRMs and autoresponders so that you can create follow-up campaigns with your prospects. What's so great is that we're able to, you can see here that I've actually got this integrated with Infusionsoft. You can actually integrate with multiple CRMs. So if you like to keep your prospects in one autoresponder system and your buyers in another, you can do that inside Simple Auto Webinar System. So we can also create timer tags. And these are great because this allows you to actually tag your viewers at specific times during the video, so that if they see a call to action or if they've left early, they've watched the complete webinar, this allows you to actually create follow-up campaigns based on their exact behaviors. So that's really, really powerful because that's truly behavioral marketing. Talking to someone based on their exact actions that they're taking inside your videos, or, for this example, inside your auto webinar. The other really cool thing is that I have noticed that many Autowebinar systems are now doing direct integration with CRMs, but that means that they no longer can handle affiliate links. So your affiliate tracking links get stripped when you put them through their system. We've actually come up with a solution for this, and you can actually come here and actually create form codes so that your affiliates never miss a beat. They will always be able to promote your auto webinars, always make it into your autoresponder system, and always get credit for the new leads, prospects, and sales that they're bringing to you. So these are just a few of the things that Simple Auto Webinar can do for you, but you seriously can get an auto webinar set up in just a few minutes in the back end of your system. And of course, because we know not everyone likes to keep all of their marketing materials inside WordPress, you can actually create your auto webinars and embed them using iframe or raw code in any third-party application. Again, ClickFunnels, Shopify, Lead Pages. So I'm going to show you really quick just what it's like to register for an auto webinar. So this is an auto webinar that I have already created, and I'm going to go ahead and open up a new browser here so that you can see it. So here's my thing. I've just got a little test button here. You can customize these videos to look like anything that you want. I'm going to click this, and I'm just going to do a test email here. And once I click submit, contact information is going to be added into my CRM along with the appropriate tags that I've registered for the webinar. And here's my auto webinar. And as you can notice, I've actually already been testing this quite a few times. So it brought me right back to where I've made it in my webinar previously. So this is great because your prospects, they had to leave early or they didn't get to see your entire webinar and they want to come back to it. They're brought back right to where they left off. So they don't actually have to watch the entire thing over again. They're able to come right in where they left off. And so again, we're able to come here and see, let me take my mute off here, and see my buy button pop up. And we're able to just jump right over to our offer here. So this makes it so simple and easy to use all of those videos that you've been creating for lead generation, for content, trainings, tutorials, so that you can use those videos to make more sales, to get more leads and more prospects into your pipeline, so that you can communicate on a regular basis, nurture and engage your list, offer them a ton of value, and make sales.